All right, let's take a look at the homework here, where we are working on division and maybe a little bit of multiplication too. And we're going to start on one side with just division quilts, which we should know already. So 50 divided by 6. So first I need to make a shape of 50, and I can do a rectangle for 50. If I simply do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 10, and then I'm dividing this 50 block shape into 6 divisions of 6. So I could do this. There's 6. There's 6. That's 6. You can split it up any way you want. And then that would be 6. And if you have colored pencils, you can color it in, maybe something like that. And then don't forget your leftover ones are your remainder. So I had a remainder of 2. And then if I'm looking here, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a remainder of 2. So the answer is 8 with a remainder of 2. And I think these other ones, you should be able to do these for the most part. Your shapes don't always have to be a rectangle. 164 make pretty nice rectangles or even squares. Those are both square numbers. 44 maybe not. So 44 you could just do if you want something like you do 4 by 10, 3, 6, 9, 10. That's 4 by 10, and then maybe just add the extra 4 like that. That's 44. But really, you can do it however you want, as long as you're going by this number of boxes, and then you're splitting it into groups of 5. And then same thing with the bottom one, 132. I mean, you could do 13 by 10 with a little bit of 2 extra. You could make a block of 100. So there I've got 100 there, and I need 132. So maybe I'll just do 4 by 8 here. 4, 8. That's 132. However you want to do it is up to you for that one. But probably the more challenging bit of this homework is looking at these story problems and solving these problems. And you can use for this, you can use, you can use pictures, that's better. Or you can choose rectangles or division quilts. You just have to do it on your own. So the first one, 4A students want to go boating. Each boat holds 5 students, and there are 23 students. How many boats will they need? I'm just going to do a picture for that. So if I have some boats, so there I've got 3 boats. That got me up to 15 students, so I need to make some more boats. So I just keep going until I can fit all 23 students in the boats, and then answer with a sentence, something like this or whatever. And then KG is going potato picking, which they do every year. And let's just say there's 15 students in each class and 8 classes. How many students are going? So figure that out first. And I would probably think something like, okay, 8 classes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are my 8 classes. And then 15 students in each class. 5, 10, 15 students in each class. This is how many people are going on the trip. And if you wanted to get super detailed, you could even list maybe kindergarten classes. I'm not even sure I know these correctly. So with a rectangle, it might look like this for all the different classes. But the question is, how many the kids are going to be? So you can figure that out in different ways. You could maybe split up this rectangle into smaller parts to make it easy if you want to. So I know 8 times 4 pretty well. That's going to be 32. And then this one's going to be 32. I could do it like that and see what they all add up to. I could just do the partial products. So 8 times 10 would give me 80. And then what's left. And then there. And then the next question here is, if each bus holds 25 students, how many buses will they need? So again, it's up to you how you figure that out, but that's going to be 25, 25, 25. So can you put those together? That's 50. Then you've got 75 kids. How many buses are you going to need? And then last one, this is actually maybe a little bit simpler. 4A students, the 4 students at table A got 35 pieces of chocolate. If they share, how much will each person get? So then, I mean, you could just divide up the chalk, draw a picture. You could even label the girls if you know who's at which table and how many pieces of chocolate are they all going to get. And then the other question, since we're solving problems here, is there's going to be something extra. So you have to come up with an idea. What should they do with the extra chocolate? How are they going to decide what happens to that extra chocolate? So that is the homework for today. There's more than one way to do all of these, so just do your best. And thank you, and that's all. Bye.